Silver yet again traded bullish and delivered another bullish candle hitting 3260 before closing the week at the critical support zone at 3180. Coming week definitely going to bring again volatility here in the prices with the inflation data coming in from US deciding the further move for silver. Now, since silver is trying to break out after the support here from the 50 period, can we expect it to deliver a round of rise towards the top of the channel towards $35 levels and above? Or it is now the bulls are exhausted and we are looking forward to a drop here. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the levels, and towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the levels. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates with precise targets for silver so that you can trade profitably throughout the day across Asia, Europe, and US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, let's begin it with the weekly charts. Now, on the weekly charts, just connect the lows and connect the highs. See, this is a nice flag formation after this breakout from here bottoming at around 22. We have seen a stronger rise, and now it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, and it appears this is the third bullish wave which is getting created here. Now, look at the last couple of candles. Certainly, the support from the 20 weeks average is pretty strong, and certainly, since the reversal sign at 2950, we have seen a stronger rise. So, these levels are going to remain the prime support zone. If you connect the lows and the highs, you will find primarily it is sticking to this channel where now silver has to trade above either 33 or to trade below 29 or $30 levels. Rather, I will say 30 itself. Only and only if this zone is taken, you can confirm that the prices are reversing. Now look at the last couple of candles here. Support zone pretty intact here with the 20 period moving average providing it a very good support, that it is very important for silver to trade below 3050 levels. And yes, if you notice, 3150 was the prime resistance, and now this is going 3140, 3160 is going to be the first key support. So 3140, 60 first key support, then 3120 the next, and then below that 3060, 3080 zone. If these three levels are taken, you can say now the prices are reversing. Once it trades below 3060, chances will be high that we may see it landing at $30 levels. But right now that bearishness is missing and it is still having the bullishness intact with delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now the preceding candle, it has left a room on the upside. If it opens on a bullish note and trades bullish here, we can see another strong bullish candle which might take the prices above 33. As we have seen, it is still respecting the bullish channel. Moving averages running parallel as of now. The stochastic, when you see after forming the double bottom, now it is on the verge of entering into the overbought zone. Though silver in the recent past, when you see the last few years, you will find every time it has hit an overbought zone, it follows with a reversal. Look at the MACD. On the MACD, now the prices have retraced and it is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. This is very important because see, this crossover confirmation is something which might lead to a stronger recovery here. But right now it is shying away from this crossover. It has converged with calls that it may possibly again trade with bearishness. Though if you look at the recent past, rise retracement, and it is already at the bottom here. So possibility of a reversal here cannot be denied. However, right now it is trading bearish. RSI looking upwards, which is a very good sign for the bulls. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. Here one thing is clear, that the bullishness has increased. Also it has hit the top. Now see, hitting the top of the channel, what a good reversal it is shown. Now where is the bottom of the channel? Towards 30, 60, 30. 80 zone, and now it is very important for silver to trade below 30, 60, 30, 80 in order to confirm a reversal. And once it breaches below 30, 60, 30, 80, you can now say that the bears are taking over, and then the critical support zone at 30 will come into picture. Now let's have a look at the silver for the near term, and you can find out. See, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise, and the bigger retracement has appeared. Now, bigger retracement calls for a bigger rise as well. But what's happening? See, it has breached this channel. It is certainly staying bullish, but I see this as a retracement after this drop, and hence once it breaks below 30, you can say that now the main trend it is going to adopt, and possibly we may see a drop below 29 again. So the coming week definitely is going to remain critical in terms of the deciding the further course of action and the targets for silver. And as I said, any movement beyond 3260 and 3310 is a clear sign that possibly for the next few weeks silver might achieve in fact $35 and above here. Look at the moving averages. These have crossed over. These are trading with divergence. These are trading bullish, but the prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. Whenever you see such extreme divergence, it calls for a convergence, and that is what is happening. Also notice after a reversal sign, we have seen a bearish candle, and it is closed at the bottom. So once it trades below 31.70.60 in the coming week, you can possibly expect it to move towards 31.40, 31.20, and 31. Below that 31.80, 31.60. So till 30.60 and 30.80, till 30.60, it has got extremely crucial supports. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD trading with divergence, it has started to converge, not yet crossed, and when you look at the charts, it has formed double bottom. Now see, this was vertical, the drop was vertical. This suggested that the bearishness here was sharp. It is now under retracement. Look at the slope here. This calls for that now when it crosses over rise, retracement, and now when it crosses over, it is going to take the prices towards the bottom here. So let's watch out. RSI reversing, looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to the monthly. Now, on the monthly chart, there is one key observation. Look at these multiple candles. It appears it has created a stronger base here at 28 $29 levels, and this is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. Now notice what is happening here. It has formed a base, and with that as base, you can see rise retracement, and this is a third wave which it is initiating here. This can take it towards the highs. Also, the current month has started on a bullish note. It does not mean, see, higher highs means higher lows, so it does not mean that it can not reverse. Yes, it could still reverse, and as I said, once it trades below 3060, 3080 zone, you can look forward to a move towards 30. And if it trades below 30, chances will be very, very high that we may see, in fact, silver hitting $29 levels and lower. Possibility exists. See, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. It shows you a picture which is not a perfectly true picture, and hence you have to keep a note of both the sides. Yes, both the sides of the coin you should keep a note of, and that is where the key levels come into picture. Notice two green, two red, and thus it is possible that the current candle might remain in green as well. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD here is still divergent, is still bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. So still silver has further room for a rise. Now, when you see the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, look at the rise, the retracement, the rise. And I have mentioned here that see, the drop was sharp, the rise was gradual, and see what a sharp dip it has taken, and it has come towards the support zone here. So in the coming week, you have to watch out. If you see now silver trading below 31.70, 31.60, you can stay short, expect 31.40. And once it trades below 31.40, probability will be very, very high that we may see 31 30.80 as the next support levels, below which more bearishness to prevail here. Remember here 31.50 should be a very good. 31.50.40 should be the first support, 31 should be the next. And see, once it comes down towards 30, and if it breaks below 30.60, 30.80, you can say now silver is ready forward to hit the bottom, that is $30 levels. Possibility is there. Stochastic looking down, MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, looking downwards, and this increases the possibility of a dip towards the bottom. So let's watch out. RSI has dropped as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. Yes, if you see silver staying above 31.95, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 32.20 levels. 32.2025 the first, 32.40.60 the next. Now this is going to be the prime resistance. I have highlighted this in my daily reviews. Beyond this, chances will be high that we may see 33.10 this time. And if 33.10 is taken, we are looking forward to a round of rise which is going to take it towards 33.45, 33.75, and then 34.15. Once 34.15 is taken, stay bullish for 34.50 and $35 levels. See, this is silver, it can do wonders, but right now we are not looking at such a strong rise here. Right now, the closing at the bottom suggests that the continuation of bearish momentum might be there in the coming week as well. On the downside, I will only recommend you to sell at 31.60, but this complete zone between 31.60 to 31.40, this is something you should keep an eye on. Very, very crucial supports available here. Below this, chances will be very high that we may see 31.05 levels, the next support level, and if this is taken, then we are looking at 30.80, 30.60. Now once this is taken, you can say we are ready for a round of correction. Stay short for 30, 29.75, 29.40, and below 29.40 it is directly going to land at 29. Now below 29 and 28.80 is where the crash is awaited, where you can look forward to 28 and in fact $26 levels very, very soon. See, the coming week is going to be the decision maker for the price movement for next few weeks. Keep a note of this. Yes, if it drops this time, it is not going to reverse. If it drops below 30.60, 30.80, it is not, or chances will be less for a reversal. Till 30.60, 30.80, chances of reversal will be very, very high. And on the downside, till 29, you should not be treating this as bearish for the near term. For the near term, when I say, it is for next 3 to 6 months. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and do not miss to watch the twice a day updates, which will give you clarity and logical levels such that you can trade profitably throughout the day across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.